Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV in the building. You know Crosses TV. You know Crosses TV. Hey, don't play with blood clot Crosses TV.
We done go do some work and go sell some blood clot food in America. Yes, go do something in America. Me I send you for do something in America. Make your work permit work for you in a blood clot America. Whoop, me no want to war with you because the war where you bring to me is an idiot war. Whoop, I know Vicky this, you know. Huh? Stop calling me bumbo rascal name. I say me call Vicky. Me didn't know you and Vicky in a bumbo clot mix up. Me didn't know Vicky have last who blood clot money. Huh? Me didn't know Vicky have bumbo clot last who money. Me frightened for people blood clot money and people things in America. What for me come America? Me have blood clot work in America. 2, 3, 4, 5 job in America. No pussy can style me. Whoop. Me no beggy. And me no catchy. Me got up every day and work for my. See me there? Me work for blood clot, man. And whoop, any work I have, me pay them. No every work I have, don't want to work back with me. Anytime I work as them not pay me, anytime I clients them not pay me, me not get paid the workers them not get pay. Because I whole heap of people owe me millions and millions of blood clot dollars out there. For the work my blood clot though. Whoop, stop calling me bumbo ass clot name. You hear me I tell you? You see you and Vicky war, take me name out of bumbo ass clot it. You get up this bumbo clot Wednesday morning and I talk about me. What me not remember you me not a friend from you? What me for one friend from you? What member say me borrow money for lend you? Me give you pick the money. Me do all kind of thing for you. Me write up tax paper. Me can get blood clot apartment in America. What you do for me, what? Come up on the road, got blood clot thief, the pieces them. And say you're my bumbo clot friend. And come up on the road, got thief. Stop calling me name, woman. Me not like you. Me not a friend from you. Tell the people them say I tell Brandon sister Brandon for call you. And me not care about that. I tell Brandon already. Once you talk back to Hope, just know say don't call my bumbo clot phone. Cause Hope want come thief your money and say I'm bumbo clot kill you. Hope me not play them lose game them you know. You see the lose game when you depend. Me not beg bumbo clot friend Hope. Me's a feisty bumbo clot Spanish girl. Me stand by my bumbo clot self girl. Woman, stinking, dirty woman, Bigfoot woman, cranny teeth, blood clot woman. Stop calling me bumbo clot name. Whoop, you press me. You see like how you go FBI if you go report me? What me I do it? Me I wait for the FBI whoop. Because me I get a bumbo clot patches free ticket to Jamaica. Whoop. I know idiot girl I worry with, I know Bicky I worry with, you know. I know Bicky I worry with, I know money body I worry with. I know money by the bumbo clot here. I work with blood clot. What me I done in the bumbo clot street? What? My name stand alone. Huh? Easy with you. I make you go on because you're a mad blood clot big woman. You're mad. You're obsessed. Look like you're obsessed with blood clot. Me. What? Why you not go kill yourself with your riches them? Why you not take your shoes them and drown yourself in the blood clot? See what I mean? Alligator them nyam me up. And nyam me up. You don't want the alligator nyam off your head. When you go in the plane, just jump off for the blood clot plane, no man. Hey, let me remember you. Me care about you. Me not remember you as a wicked, as a liar. And your day is coming. Your day is coming. Your day is blood clot outnumber. You remember tell you? Your day is coming. Keep on a press. It's so easy. What me tell you this? You know me bumbo clot there. You know me there. This is not because you want to pies in my food. Do this and do that and do that and do that. Whoop. A different bumbo clot war this, you know. My war no lily a blood clot. What? Oh, me why don't Lily? I easy up. Because the people them need me, I need the people and the people them depend upon me up. But press a blood clot button. Just press it. And you see what happen. Me send your bumbo clot home, yeah? You might tell you. Stop calling me name lady. Me no remember you, me no care about me no care who you are, who you are. Stop calling me name, me not call you name, me not use you. Me not a friend from you. And you tell stuff you come blood clot from me and 3 weeks. Me never tell a bitch for 3 weeks. Nobody. Me is a feisty bumbo clot girl. Me stand by my blood clot say, oh, me born January 11, 1982. I mean start the bumbo clot month and finish the bumbo clot year. Me is a goat in a real life. Whoop. After they say, don't know nothing about me. You know, they around me, you don't know me. You see, if you don't know me, you know how serious me is. Whoop. A pure lie, you come and tell, and me just take it like a blood clot. Whoop. The whole world to me don't answer you. But you know I answer you because I appear like you just tell them, touch him, hope you can't touch my blood clot name Hope. My name stand big in a blood clot for me tell you that. Huh? Me not use my respect because I waste a war this. Me no want the man them dash me no want nobody dash for your blood clot. Oh, let me tell you that. Cause it's a waste of matter. Go help, go look at work. Go look work. Go sell your blood clot, dirty food, you dirty pasta, you dirty crab legs, you dirty thing. And stop think about people hard working on them people who work for them blood clot things them. And that you. It's a pestilence to blood clot America. Are you for blood clot? Them should deport and send back to Jamaica. I mean, the good people that who want to stay America say, it just, use a non, what name, son, use a non, I mean, the blood clot, if I tell you, oh, stop calling me name, I tell you. Stop calling me name. Keep no one a friend from you. Keep hate you with a passion. Hope you can take Brandon and fuck him. And come my house, go live with you. And make him pay your blood clot bills and because you hungry after you class up Brandon, this Brandon. You really want a friend from blood clot, Brandon? But me I watch and say Brandon want a friend from blood clot you. And you see what art a clock sketch this a war, yeah. Cause after you bring down Brandon and talk all them nasty thing and them wickedness about him. Tell the people them say you call people. You call him sister and say must like you must call your phone. Call your phone. Whoop. Me is a bad girl. No girl to my team, me not call no girl phone. Me no big friend up. No girl, me never call a girl and say, hey, I want to talk back to me what a friend from you. Up, me is a face the blood clot girl. Never call a girl phone it and say, hey girl, I want a friend from you. Me want this from you. Unless me do something wrong, me call a girl blood clot phone. Me not do none of nothing, so me not call none of phone. Me not apologize, so me not for my name, no man stop living for my name. Me not remember you, me not use you. You know, me not use you. What me don't need to go up on the road thief. This take care of my tax and my irrigation, take care of my blood clot. Family and my friends, they might take care of blood clot you too. So you can blood clot, size up with blood clot me. Back off of me, girl, cause you can't size up with me. What me ear to me. I didn't mind them come and say you're dead today. Me send beer for flowers and kick on your blood clot coffin. You think me nice? It's a weakest bomber clot woman. You, nobody should have you as friend. Cause I was a friend to you, wasn't a friend to me. I was a blood clot friend to you, wasn't a friend to me. Oh, stop calling me name. You want Vicky problem? Deal with Vicky. Vicky say you and her mother, everybody try to thief her last money. Me never know said Vicky I get last money. Me no bad mind. Yes, I get to eat her. Me no bad mind no girl for them things. Me like for work for mice and get my car. Me no want no pussy style. Me like what my style you. Me no beg your blood clot up. At any money me need, me know who because me have a bad man friend. Me have me goddaughter mother next door. Me have blacks, me have everybody. Me have Andrea, me have everybody who me need anything in America. Whoop. Remember say you hate me. Tell people say you hate me. Because Brandon blood clot, Brandon they fuck your blood clot friend. And you want to pay the liar. And Brandon tell me say don't lend you the blood clot money that's say you. Tell the people the truth no. That's why your blood clot. Girl, me don't want a friend from you. Me don't want a friend from you no good. Huh? Tell the people them. Yeah, tell Brandon's sister to call you because you want friend from blood clot, Brandon. Hope you feel shame like that. After your class up, Brandon class, you really want a friend. After Brandon say you open up your pussy in front of you, you open him your pussy to $10,000. You really want back blood clot friend from Brandon. Hope me no big friend. Is that one face girl, me no big friend. So me there? And I'm a quad. Girl have a friend me. Me no friend girl. Girl have to say, oh your name came? Me, I don't run up. Me never run in. No Jamaican party nowhere. Anybody my friend call me. Me never say, oh my name is Kim. Oh my name is Kim. I want you to know my name. Whoop. Me a star. Girl, if you come to me and ask me question. Me no run in. Whoop. That's why people love me. You saw me go Jamaican dancer. Me go buy me liquor and hold me blood clot and me a gangster. Whoop. Me no informer. That's why the man them love me and the bad girl them love me. What me no doing farmer work? Me no work with police and feds. Me have friends. But this go in the book and say me name me na write up about informer. Whoop. That's how the bad man them love me and rate me. Who rate you up? A beer negativity the man them talk about you. The Jamaican them talk beer negative about you. Yeah? Nobody like you. Nobody like you. Give thanks me they like you from another nation. And me they make people get to like you. When you come around me, I'm energy, I'm a friend of leave her alone. When the people them say, I'm mad, so you have 2 bag, you have 1 year back, so 1 year back, so everybody call me laugh for you. But I'm not tell you, you go around a big friend for all of my enemies, them. That was my friend. You go around a friend, my friend, them. What? Me never go on friend, none of your friend, them. Tell your friend, them must come up and ask them, who friend. Me no friend, none of your friend. What, me a boss? Me a blood clot boss. Me a stand up, whoop. Me a give it to you. Me a blood clot boss. Whoop. What? Me a boss in a real life. None of your friend them. Me Never call them phone or go up on Facebook and friend them. Cause hope a girl have to come friend me. You're a friend of mine, you're a blood clot. But all of my friend them, you're a friend them. All of my friend them, you are one friend. And that means say you want to be like me, obsessed with me. You call Chandel, you call this one, you call that one, your friend Tanika, your friend Stacey, your friend Safa, your friend. That's my friend them, your friend. All of my friend them, your friend them. Which one of your friend them can come up on IG and say, Kim, one friend from blood clot them. There is no. What me a lead, me lead people out. Me not a follower, I lead, me is a leader, you know that. I lead. After Brandon say you open out him crutches. Open out your big pussy, your leaky blood clot pussy, you want friend from Brandon. You know, say, tell the people them that. Tell Diary, Susie, and all the followers them. Say you want friend from Brandon. Because you want borrowing blood clot money. After you diss up the youth. I say, I cannot think about the youth. You're a friend blood clot. Me don't want a friend because you can't kill me. You can't murder me. You can't murder me. And if you murder me up, you go blood clot dead. Let me tell you that. If me dead, you go pussy clot, bomber ass clot dead. Let me tell you that. And I joke at this. And I joke at this, you go blood clot get sick. Me, I go down, you go down too. So me don't know it go. Come on from my back lady. Me want a friend from you. Me look like me want a friend. Look like me miss you. Do like I miss you. Look like I miss you. Me miss you, lady. You just call me name every fucking day. I might be your enemy for me. I'll tell this one, what many people that make me on them own. Many people that make me no backup dancer. What me not friend, what me a whole heap of people love me. Huh? Whole heap of people love me up. What me no want a friend from you. Are you send Toffee for call me trip way for friend me. I'm tell Toffee me want a friend from Hope. Me say Toffee, if it's not about you, don't tell me about Hope. Hope I don't forget when you disrespect me upon life. Never. I never forget it. I forgive, but I never forget. And a bunch of lies you tell upon me, I never forget it. Because you're wicked. I want a friend from your demon woman, nasty woman, rotten teeth woman, stinking woman. I don't like you. I don't mind them coming to me and say you're dead. Hope, I don't mind them coming to me and say you're dead. I don't like you. I don't like your pieces them. When you dead and bury your pieces them and make a big hole for you and throw all of your pieces in your bag and your shoe because you praise vanity more than blood clot people. I don't praise vanity. I love people. That's why I help people. I'm a leader. I'm not a follower. Oh, I'm a leader. I lead people. Oh, I pay a gunman back a blood clot me. Oh, from the Jamaican to the American, every Italian mafia, every blood clotting in the world. Oh, I help people. I'm proud of my blood clot job. I love my career. I love my job. I love my job. The job where you borrow my money. And I buy a pocketbook for you. The job where you cost now. I have to peer life on me. For make the people them hate me. Oh, me no care. God know me. I know my blood clot heart and my soul. My client, my customers them know me. Huh? Me don't need no backup dancer like you. Me don't need to tell no lie. For recruit nobody. Vicky come on her home. Me never know say you are Vicky a war what last who money. Frighten. Huh? Me never know say you and her what last who money. Me go around and find who money. Me not no money friend. You say you mind me, you take care of me. And me say okay, me say okay. You say you give me everything in the world, Hope. And me I'm grateful to you. You buy me Gucci, Louis, you pay me care, you pay me house, you do everything for me, you do me hairstyle, do everything. Me say you buy me plane ticket, me give you all the credit in the world. Cause the real people them know me. Me is not a scavenger. Me say girl spend my blood clot money. And me and you go up, me go spend my blood clot money. Lady, me go spend me is a spender. Yes. And my friend them not have, me go pay for them. Me not a girl where me I go look good and my friend look bad. The two of us look blood clot good. If I champagne, me I drink my friend. If I champagne I drink, me I buy one for my friend. If I can't buy, me share it in blood clot off. Hope you could never walk in on my shoes. No matter how much pieces you have, how much Louis, how much real shit. Hope the pieces may look good for you. You stay bad no blood clot. I mean get the hype in, I mean hype you know. I mean make you look like somebody. The people that hate you. I mean get the hype. I mean hype you up. I mean blood clot hype you up. When I say yes, my friend, me want you look good. You look stay bad no blood clot. You stay the pieces don't fit you. Your pieces them don't fit you. Your clothes don't fit you. Give it away, sell it away. Whoop. Remember say you teach me I'm bad, thank you, babe. Remember say you teach me. Me never know say you could have wear things in a socks and carry it back. How you make me know that? Me never know that. Me never know you do them things them because you so hype and show off. Tell the people them the 2 pocket book you buy from over done it party. Me never know say you buy. Me tell you pay your rent, pay your blood clot rent. You say you need the pocket go show up on the people in Jamaican then. Well, me not a show off. Me's a humble look blood class Spanish girl. Me not show off hope. A long time I buy my house and me not show off. A long time I have my things and me not show off. A long time I drive bumbo clock here hope me not show off. Me humble. Me open my arms to everybody the whole world. You understand? That's why I'm comfortable in a bumbo clock. Oh, God know me. God know you. God know me. God know my heart. God know who's Kim. God know you. God don't know you. Tell the people them say you cost me and them say I pay dirty Jamaican me having here. I help them sleeping in my house. I use a Jamaican. And a different woman from a different country helping your own culture people. And that you must tell Bumbo Clark the Jamaican them. You tell Kim don't help none of them and don't give them nothing. Don't help none of them, put them out. Them is dirty Jamaican. And you call them so dirty Jamaicans. I never do that yet. Me's a people person. Hope you can't stand, you can't size up with me no day no time. You can't bring me down no day no time. I'm have to bring them my blood class self. What? Huh? Tell the people them say, me used to go up on the road. Leave my work. I go up on the road where you got thief. So you can't have a little money. Me used to leave my office, finish my office work, and go to my dirty restaurant, play music, and come on my life, and make the people them come in, and make them buy food. What your food tastes bad, no blood clot. I want to tell them. My friend them tell me, my customer, my friend say your food tastes bad, no blood clot. You have a place full of beer, rat roach, beer, artificial flower, beer, dust. Me make the cleaning woman go clean for you. And you want to walk out the woman say you don't want to pay. What, remember say your part, you don't pay people, you know. I tell people that you work, you don't pay people, you're a user. You're a blood clot user. Let me read out your rights today. You're a blood clot user. Whoa. You don't pay your workers then. You don't pay your blood clot workers then. What, me not have no problem with my workers then. When my workers them don't pay, it's either my customer them don't get the money for pay me or me not get paid. I will still even when the customer them pay me pay everybody. Me not that problem. Cause when you work for people, you're supposed to pay them. What, me not that problem. What, me not that problem. Tell the people them that. Tell the people them that. What me not argue with you because my bad man friend and me must have argue with you. All my friends and me must have argue with them. Say I must come out for the live. Cause you know what after class. You know what we clap. And me no want to be the one. Do that to you. Big pussy woman. Come out from my back now go take care of your grandpig and your picnic them and go suck some cocky, go sell some pussy in Miami now. And live some blood clot life. And go buy a blood clot machine with a pool. So your friend can come jump in and drown them blood clots with yourself in the pool. You want those drown in the pool? Whoop, you know, say me happy over here. I'm happy over here. No matter how much thing you say about me, still blood clot I beat you, but me still happy. Whoop, me happy in the blood clot. Whoop. Me never do nobody no wickedness yet. Me sleep comfort the right night. No up in a bumbo clot follow me. No up in a follow me up. No up in a follow me up. Whoop. You know, see my business open every day. Because I never thief no blood clot none of my customer them. I them blood clot with me. What? Tell me, a reason why a blood clot, me a reason why you dirty woman. Sorry baby girl, I have to fix this woman, you know. Sorry, make you whoop. Let me tell you this. Me a blood clot boss. Me a leader. Tell the Jamaican what you do for them. Melissa the day you call police for Melissa. Tell Candy them and Susie them. You go up on the, Melissa go up on the road, we got thief. And Melissa says she needs some things for put in the bar for get the poor people in my Jamaica. And true because Melissa don't want to chat me with blood clot you call police for Melissa, you want to call police and you tell me say, Kim, tell Melissa give me back all the pieces and you burn up the pieces them. And I say, oh, where I'm turning until I say, oh, if you do Melissa that means say you don't do me that. Hope you don't have no art. That's why nobody don't like you. Nobody don't want to do nothing for you. Nobody don't love you. You shot a blood clot love. What me not shot a love? Look what me shot a riches me want to get rich. But me satisfy what God give me. Me no bad man, me not kill nobody, me not set up nobody for them things. Cause everybody for work for them things. No matter how them blood clot get it. But tell the Jamaican them that. I will me want you tell them. Tell them the story. When Melissa, when I couldn't go on the road with you, I said Melissa go on the rank something to say you can't carry my Jamaica. You give Melissa the things them and two. You want Melissa chat me. You tell Melissa say, oh we are Jamaican, Kim is Costa Rica. And Melissa say, me not chat Kim, I love Kim do a lot for me. And you tell Melissa must take out all the things I met the woman barrel bust up with her island and everything. We don't forget nothing. Tell the people them say why you hate Angie, because Angie says she love Sapphire no matter what. Are you a corrupt Sapphire, you know? But me the Sapphire to God and time. Sapphire lock me up on me. Eat her like poison because she shouldn't lock me. She got tell no lie upon me. She shouldn't do that. She shouldn't lock me up. She shouldn't lock up nobody. She must back up her blood clot. Why? Huh? Tell the people them say why you hate Miss Angie. Because Angie say a demon inside her. Angie a Jamaican, you're Jamaican. Me and Sapphire a different nation. And you hate Angie. Because Angie said she love Sapphire no matter what. I talk the truth since you want to talk book of blood clot truth. I told them no one company lie because them not on social media business. Minister said she no want company. She just want you press her blood clot do me something. She said she just want you send and do me something. And then when so the war blood clot go. Because she know the panel chatting like you as a big woman. Tell the people them say you see man say you gone to jail. The Jamaican them don't give you $1 in your commissary. You eat them because you thief so much and give them. Everybody in the 90s you eat them because you eat the whole. When they find the people them say I lie, I tell upon them. You say about people, remember say your icon was Fren. And I can give her social and everything for make you get local ID, local car insurance and then I this blood clot iconic. This blood clot iconic. Tell the people them the truth. I want you to tell the blood clot people them the truth. Me, what's Susie there? What's she there? Tell her to come over. Yes, tell the people them the truth. Cause me tired of you. Me tired of blood clot you. Me tired of bumbo clot. Tell the people them say your big friend. You tell brother and sister must tell Brandon to unblock him. Cause you want Brandon blood clam. After Brandon say your pussy big and watery and don't know you want friend. After you tell dance, you send and rob Brandon. But you see me? So me is a good blood clot. Because me should I tell the detective say, are you send the good man them here, them lock up your pussy. You don't get no green card in America. Yes, Oakton. Oak me is a blood clot American citizen. I'm proud of blood clot, the flag of America. Me proud of it. Me love my career. Me love my customer and my customer them love me and them give me them good money. So you can borrow from me and beg me. And I say I could have buy a bumbo clock Fendi pocketbook for your birthday card. Nobody buy you nothing. None of your friend them. None of your bad mind with your friend them. All your friend them will have things to bad mind them. Oh, and not my fault to come America and waste the time, you know. I know my fault. People say you come America and waste. I know my fault to come waste the time. Everybody bad mind. Either real and everybody are fake for you. Everybody in the Jamaican world, we are fake. You have a problem with it. But you wear real and you can't pay your bills them. Me rather wear blood clot fake and pay my blood clot bills them. And take care of my bills and my family and my friend. Me not buy no real things and broke and go run and borrow from people. Me no want that reach me. Buy real things and say, boy, you know, say you can't give me this money for this. Oh, well, sit down now. Full time if you sit down. Stop. You tell people you miss you can't sleep at night. Tell people say you cannot sleep at night. You cannot sleep at night. You cannot sleep because you have family curse upon you. You do too much wickedness to people. That's why you cannot sleep. What me sleep comfortable at night. There's no wickedness. What? There's no wickedness in this little girl. Anything? Them can't talk about me. Because some of them, when me don't do them work, me tell 1 and 2 look lie. You understand? And me tell the police 1 and 2 look lie. But me no go on and hurt people. That's what you do. You go on and hurt people and write down people business. For prison them, for eat them, and for bad man, and for inform upon them. Whoop, your name in an informer blood clot book. My name not in an informer blood clot book. Why you think say you don't want to go back to Jamaica? Because you know they might kill your blood clot because it's an informer. It's a blood clot. What you should have do, you should have take my friend things. And that's them hang up your blood clot at the shop. Yes, that's what I tell you say. You know, say shut off your mouth and peer lie, tell upon me. But me fuck 90s man. Whoop, me no 90s man. No 90s man know my body. Me good. Whoop, no 90s man, no me good body. Whoop, no 90s man, no me good body. I'm a good pussy. No 90s man, no me body. Whoop. He's a fairy tale, he's a story tale. I go write a blood clot book. You see, if you write the book off for me, write it blood clot book because I want to be a millionaire. And when you write the blood clot book, just put me on the blood clot will so I can't get my riches. I don't want a friend from your idiot blood clot woman. I want a friend from my face. Disrespect me. I come tell lie on social media and tell Dan and the whole of them. Me no forget. Me gonna forget nothing. And when you go tell tough, you must say rampant shot go and kill me at Jamaican and all them things because you're bad mind every blood clot, girl. Who up go sit down now? Your time expire with me. Expiration date. You know my blood clot reside, you know me there. Me now move and go nowhere. Me now run go nowhere. The only time I run going away, if the police them come for me. If I kill, murder your blood clot, I mean I run, because I shut up your blood clot, I run, I make the blood clot news that I it. So press my blood clot button. Just come for me, cause you're bad no blood clot. Make sure your bad me is. Cause me tired of you. One. A beer gunshot me I go give you. Cause me not fight you. A beer shot me I go write it down in the blood clot because it's a pestilence to blood clot society. It's a pestilence panic. And you come cause the whole drama on the internet, you know. But who have eyes will see, who have ears with ear. And you come cause the whole of this bag upon IG. Because you want Brandon money, you want sucker Brandon, cocky. What? Come take Brandon. You want Brandon live with you? Come for him. Come put him in your house. Cause remember say you're short. Remember say you say Sean can't fuck. Sean only know can't yam pussy. Huh? And you run on Brandon because you love run on drugs man for them blood clot hard working money. Go sell some pussy no girl. Go send some pussy no woman. Go sell some of your bag and your shoes them woman. And come on from my blood clot back and me not remember you. I don't want to remember you. It's a crash up blood clot newspaper. It's a old, use periodic. Let me tell you this, man. Use periodic on their head. Use periodic on their blood clot head. What? Nothing what you say about me shit me. Nothing what you say about me shit me. Because I be a fucking tell the story you tell. Oh. I be a story you tell for me. Say nothing shit me. Oh. Nothing shit me. Huh? You see when you come real with yourself, come real me forgive you, but otherwise you're not getting no forgive from me. I want you dead. You me tell you? I want you dead. I want the alligator. I want the alligator them nyam me up. Nyam me up. Me them why them call me and say, Kim no say, me don't want me put on the news tomorrow morning and me hear say. Alligator eat up blood clot and her pocketbook and her shoes. And me say, yes, thank you, Jesus. One cross is up for the blood clot land. Walk. What? Let me tell you. Listen, me can't even call your name. Is what? Me a star. Me a star in a real life. Me a star in a real life. I mean no brag and boast. Me a star in a God eyes. Oh, me just don't go in a church yet. Hope you're not a star. Me, Costa Rican came. Help your Jamaican them. And me do it with pride and joy. Pride and joy. You is a Jamaican and you don't help your country people then. Huh? You don't think for clothes. That's why I toughy this year. That's why I toughy this year. Can you play a toughy? That's why I toughy this year. Can you play? You play with their emotion. Can you think you can do that to everybody? Oh, you think say everybody, a lot of people don't go to school but they're intelligent. You can't play them. You hear Melissa because Melissa tell you the truth. You not chat you with me. And you send tell the people and say, you tell me, you want to send police over yourself for the woman. And the woman are Jamaican like you. I made the woman cry. And me tell my friend to go with you on the road. I couldn't go on the road with you now. That's the real, oh, me coming on. You need, you sell your goods. You need to get your blood clot goods for sell them for make money. Me sell them more time. Customer them come here, me push up. Me say, buy this, my friend say half price. Huh? My friend say half price. Hope you can't style me no day no time. No day. Big puss, you and your friend them can't style me. Me a real girl in a real life. Oh, real girl in a real life. Real. Real. And me no want nobody love me. Me want God blood clot love me. Cause him me have to talk to when judgment day come. The whole of just a pass blood clot through hope. You never know. You think so when you're there you ain't go with your bag and shoes and clothes? You think when you're there you go with your bag and shoes and clothes? You go with any riches? Huh? You think when you're there you go with any blood clot riches? What when you're there just go dead in peace now stop calling him no man? Go dead in peace now stop calling me. Me not calling him, me not use a lady. Me not use me not a friend from you. Tell people say you're a big friend or what you saw. Me don't want a friend from you. Cause you feel say you ain't get to Brandon, you ain't get to me. Whoop. Them days them is over. Them days them is over, sweetie. Them days them is over. Them days is over. Remember certain time me this way I was called me, you know. Whoop. But this time you can't come because you know so I'm serious this time. Remember certain time me and you what right you was a call me, oh, I mean Kim rated, I mean and talk this and talk this and come sweet. Oh, I'm not a friend from you. You know you lose a good friend. Because I was your friend, you was not my friend. You lose a good fucking friend. Because what me do for you, nobody do for you. Because you're wicked because them know your history. You're wicked. Remember say you come in at my house and come talk, say, oh, you thief for much thing for them people in the 90s. And when you go to jail, not even a commissary them give you. Not even $1 them give you. And me say, Melissa say in the living room, boy, you know, so we didn't know. Melissa say, should I give me $100? I would have put the money and make sure you get a commissary. What? Are you so good to everybody in this world, in America? The whole of Jamaica, and nobody send $100 for you on your book. Nobody send nothing for you. So much good you do. And nobody send nothing for you. No one send nothing for you. And all you so good, you do so much goodness for the people them. And not even one Jamaican somebody send a money for your book. What me say you come borrow $200 for your daughter from me? I'm tell you if you take it. Huh? You hate me? Stop hate me, girl. Stop hate me. Stop hate me. Because I tell you already, I'm sorry. You understand? I may never owe you nothing. You should have saved your blood clot money because you're a thief on the road. So when problem catch you, you can draw the money at the bank. Or you should have good friends. When you get locked up, anything happen to you, you can call good friends and they can lend you money. Don't hear me for that. Don't hear me because my man tell me, say, don't call you thief the people them pan money. Whoa. You thief the, tell the people them. Tell the people them say you thief the people them pan money now. In a night, you throw a pan. You thief Shiloh money. You thief Brandon ex-woman money. Huh? That's why Brandon tell me, say, don't lend you my mortgage money. Me never go and pay my mortgage. Forgive you for make you pay your blood clot bill with immigration. That's how you hate me. Hmm? Whoa. You say me drive. Whoa. I never drive my car with no insurance here. Me's a girl for the police. Me try to do everything in order. You drive your car without insurance. Whoa. Everything when you talk about me, you talk about yourself.